31th, fifth is if A and B are square matrices of same order such that AB equals to BA, then we have to prove that fifth is A minus B whole cube equals to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay, this is our question. A and B are square matrices of same order, and given that AB equals to BA, the solution is, since it is given that AB equals to BA, I'm going to write here given that AB equals to BA. Okay, now we have to find the value of A minus B whole cube. I'm going to write here A minus B whole cube. Then it will become A minus B and again A minus B whole square. Okay, first we have to find the value of A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is equals to A minus B into A minus B, and which is equals to A into A minus B and again minus of B into A minus B, which is A into A minus A into B minus of B into A plus B into B. Since A and B are square matrices, that's why A into A will be A square minus AB minus, and it is given that BA is equals to AB. That's why I'm going to write here at the place of BA, AB plus B into B will be B square, and here A square minus of AB minus of AB will be minus 2 times of AB plus B square. Okay, this is the value of A minus B whole square. Okay, so I'm going to put the value of A minus B whole square in the first equation. The first equation is A minus B whole cube equals to A minus B whole square. Okay, then again A minus B whole cube equals to A minus B, and the value of A minus B whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, I'm going to multiply, then it will become A into A square minus 2AB plus B square, again minus B times of A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, now A into A square minus 2 times of A into AB plus A into B square. Okay, again minus of B A square minus minus plus and 2 B A B plus, sorry, minus of, this is minus plus will be negative, B into B square. Okay, again since A and A square both are square matrices, that's why A into A square will be A cube minus, this is minus of 2 times of A into B, then it will be A square into B, and minus of 2 times of A square B plus AB square minus of BA square. Okay, and plus this is 2 times of BAB, since AB is equals to BA, that's why I'm going to write here at the place of AB BA. Okay, then it will be 2 to B BA. Okay, because of AB equals to BA, then I can write it minus B is a square matrix, B square is also a square matrix, then the product will be a square matrix, that's why we can write it B cube. Okay, here is, this one is A cube, this one is A cube minus of 2 times of A square B, 2 times of A square B, okay, plus AB square minus BA square plus 2 times of B square A, then it will be B square A minus B cube. Okay, now here is clearly we can see here this is a square b and this is ba square, this one is ab square and this one is b square a. Okay, I am going to find the relation between a square b and ba square and ab square and b square a. Okay, then I'm going to find the relation. Since it is given AB equals to BA, okay, I'm going to multiply by A from left in both sides, then it will become AB into A, which equals to BA into A. Okay, since AB equals to BA, that's why I can write here BA equals to AB, BA equals to AB, then it will be A to AB equals to BA square. Okay, here is A square B, which equals to BA square. Since A square B and BA square are equal, I'm going to multiply by B from right side in both sides. Then it will be AB into B equals to BA into B. Then it will be AB square, and which is equals to, since AB equals to BA, then it will be B into BA, which is equals to B square A. Then here is AB square equals to B square A. Okay, first one is A square B equals to BA square because of AB equals to BA, and second one is AB square equals to B square because of AB equals to BA. Proof here, A square B equals to BA square and AB square equals to B square A. There are questions we convert into, this one is A cube and minus of 2A square B plus AB square and minus of, this one is BA square will convert A square B, then it will be A square B. Okay, A square B, and next one is 2 times of 2B square A, B square A is AB square, then it will be 2 times of AB square minus B cube. Okay, now it will become, which is equals to A cube minus 2A square B minus A square B, then it will be 3 times of A square B plus AB square plus 2AB square, then it will be 3AB square minus B cube. Okay, then A minus B whole cube is equals to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay, this is our solution, hence proved. Okay, A minus B whole cube equals to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay guys.